Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fill up the windshield washer fluid in your 2012 Ford Expedition. This one happens to have a 5.4 in it, but a lot of these trucks didn't change around this year, so you should be able to apply it to your Expedition if it's around this year. But before I get rolling on that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't leave a comment if you have a question. I'll reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of great content coming out. Let's get rolling. So what you're going to do is open the door, pop the hood, then come on around the front, and the hood latch is in the front of the grill right here. Let's grab that, lift it up. So the windshield wiper reservoir is right here on the passenger side of the truck. The tank is right behind the battery. So all you need to do is lift the cover up. And put the cap to the side. You can tuck it right there, that'd be good. And then I'm not completely out, so I don't know how much wiper fluid this is going to hold, but you'll know when it comes out. And don't fill it up too much like I just did. Then put the cap back on, you wash the fluid reservoir, and you're done. So that's pretty much it. That's how you top off your wiper fluid in the Expedition. See you next time.